Hello everybody, welcome to BCOM 3113, week 3 for fall 2018. As always, just here to do a quick rundown of what we are going to do this week. Since it was a holiday week, I hope you all were able to enjoy some time off, hopefully, yesterday. If you had to labor on Labor Day, I can commiserate with you. I've done it in the past many times. So we only have two things really going on this week. Mainly because it was a holiday week and we've been kind of building toward this. Number one is the first major assignment, the Who Am I memo. If you've reached out to me via email, I am responding to those in the order in which I received them. I'm happy to answer any questions you have on formatting and that kind of thing. So just be patient with me as I work my way through the emails that I received over the holiday weekend. And just keep an eye on your email. I am responding to those. I also will be posting a little bit more of a walkthrough later tonight. After I get home, I will be posting that later this evening, a walkthrough of the assignment if you want to check that out as well. Finally, the only other thing we have today other than the first major assignment is the first test, and that is over chapters 1, 2, and 3. The best news about the test for this class is they are open book and open note. I do have the Respondus Lockdown browser, but you just need to access the material on another device, which sure won't tell anybody, but we know you've done that before, I'm sure. So here in this class, it's actually okay to do that. Most of the material we cover in BCOM is more mastered and learned through actually practicing it and doing it, as opposed to answering multiple choice questions. So that's one of the reasonings behind why I do that. The other big announcement is that we have a new graduate teaching assistant, Austin Parsonage. I posted his email on the outline for this week. So if you will need to reach out to him as we continue through the semester, especially for group work, and then for weekly small assignments. He'll be in charge of grading those. So you can always direct questions about classwork and homework grades to Austin first, and then of course you can also include me. And major assignments, you should still address those to me. Finally, group work will start next week. So if you have not already, you need to set up a Gmail account separately for that. So just keep an eye on that. That's coming up. If you struggle, with that kind of thing, more than welcome to reach out to me. I can try to assist you as best I can. So get to work. You just need to finish that major assignment this week. I will respond to your emails. Look for a walkthrough as well. And then finally, complete exam number 1. You only get one shot at it, but you can take as long as you want. You can look up all the answers. I want you to learn this stuff. So again, if you have questions, just let me know and get to work.